Here we come to the elevator at Restoration Hardware at Highland Village in Houston, Texas. Man, it is quiet today. This is an updated take on this elevator. Sadly, I cannot do the Apple Store elevator because for right now, the upstairs is closed to the public, so I do apologize. I cannot get on the elevator at the Apple Store. But anyways, this is an updated take. If you remember my last video, I filmed in 2012. YouTube user, former YouTube user, TTNGIDOC, used to film here, but unfortunately closed his account since. Look at this beautiful elevator cab. Wow. This is beautiful. 3. It's kind of a bit dark in here. I love the bronze. Very luxurious. I want to get a full detail cab view. This is the most luxurious elevator I've ever seen in my entire life. Look at this. Look at this cab, y'all. Look at this thing. Look at the mirror. Hi. Wow. Look at this luxurious elevator cab. Wow. This is so... I've never seen an elevator like this before. What do y'all think of this? This is one of the most spacious looking elevator I've ever seen. I mean, I seriously wish I could have had my own room. I wish I could have had my own bedroom inside of an elevator cab like this. This is something. Well, it's kind of a bit dark in here. But anyways, these are your fixtures. I might go for one more ride on this. I should have brought my Schindler shirt with me. I don't know why I have an Otis shirt. I might probably come back in December with my Schindler t-shirt and do a full detail take. Wow, this is a very luxurious elevator. Okay, let's go back down now. We'll go back down this time in the video. These are your fixtures. Your Schindler HT vandal-resistant fixtures. Vandal-resistant California code-compliant atoms. Well, these do look like California code-compliant atoms, but the contacts behind it are HT. These are not atoms contact. All right, here we are at 1. I'm so guilty I did not bring my Schindler shirt with me. I feel so guilty that but anyways, yeah, I'm sorry guys. I'm sorry for wearing my Otis shirt. This is a Schindler, not an Otis. Boy, I seriously regret it. Anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.